Are you tired of guessing which keywords your competitors rank for, but you don't? Learn how to find every keyword gap in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click in Semrush to uncover those hidden opportunities. Let's start by organizing your data. Start by going to your Semrush folders to take control of your data. Then click on the search logo, or SEO, to get into the right area. Now click on Keyword Gap to open the tool. Take a moment to review this part of the interface. Then add your domain in the first field. Next, add a competitor's keyword in the next field. Click on Root Domain to set the comparison type. Then click on Organic Keywords to focus on organic search. Now click on Paid Keywords to see the paid data. Once more, click on Paid Keywords to confirm your selection. Then click on PLA Keywords to include product listing ads. Choose your country from the dropdown. Finally, click on Compare to see the results. That's it. Happy analyzing! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.